Sick head cam. Ah. Hit it. Man, there's so much danger. You got the mirror.
Battery's dying.
Sick. Sick.
What are you doing?
Well, I think. Oh, yeah, don't do it. Yeah. Sick.
What are you doing?
I need to do some exhaust work on the C10.
Sick.
It's very unsick,
Oh, because Long Beach told you to shut up?
basically. Recently, there was a policy enacted in Long Beach on like two streets only, where it's a zero tolerance zone for modified exhaust. I happen to live right off one of those streets, so yeah. Anyway, in the meantime, we had Sean stop by. What's up, dog? Ah, wait, damn it. Hold on, I gotta go disinfect my hand now. Yeah, Magnaflow was kind enough to dump off a builder's kit and some of their new V-bands. Magnaflow's got some sick stuff that's like direct bolt-on to cars now that just comes with V-bands, so that's pretty tight. But I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna get up old Boomhauer, see if we can make some sort of an X-pipe system and just run two of these guys. These 3-inch boys. That way it keeps it quiet. And then, I don't know, since we got them, we got some cutout pipes too. And then, these. So we got some vacuum operated cutouts to try out from our friends over at Armageddon Turbo. So, I don't know, see what we can do. Okay, so, it's our existing setup. After, I've learned something with this too. These resonators, when you get them really hot and there's a lot of unburnt exhaust, unburnt fuel going through your exhaust, it tends to make them louder, like real loud. So I think after a few 2 and 3 minute long 7,000 RPM burnouts, they're basically straight through and it's damn near as loud as it was. But yeah, so you can see where this is where the problem is, man. Like, you gotta figure out like a way to get a cutout that's like big enough to operate like a big oval one. You know what I mean? Yeah.
Might be able to make that.
But yeah. So I think, I don't know, what do you think, man? Like, optimally, I would love to be able to make an X-pipe and make it merge right here and come back out.
Where are we gonna dump them out?
It's a good question.
If we can do the mufflers right here, we can do the cutouts just after the X pipe. Basically right here underneath the driveline. So the X will be right here, cutouts here, mufflers, turned down.
Sick.
Easy peasy.
Yeah, why the hell not? So what we've devised here, or actually, Sean's really devised most of it, but made a little X-pipe, and now we're gonna run the mufflers up here. So this is where the problem lies, is this section, because it's gonna come through that QA1 kit without hitting everything. So this side's obviously gonna be easier, but after that, it'll come down, come straight out here, and same like that on that side. Easy
like
peasy. Yeah, just like that.
Like that.
So that'll turn.
Right there.
Yep.
Do another 45 off of the X pipe right there. Go up to it. And we got these sweet little vacuum cutouts that are gonna go basically right off the back of the X pipe.
Sick.
Move this around.
Not bad for freeballing it.
Playing with these. We're playing with them, damn it.
Okay. Okay. So what are you thinking?
I'm thinking we can make, well, it depends on where you want these. You want these inside or outside? You want fun sounds or do you want kind of like...
No, fun sound.
Okay, fun sounds. Okay, we're gonna go out here. Basically, we're gonna live right around there once we build the flange and cut another hole in that pipe. And your vacuum tube will run across the top of the frame. Won't get cut anything. Live happy, straight in line with the end of the X pipe, coming straight out, so it'll be all noise.
Nice.
The fun part now is we get to match that to this side. And that was about an hour and a half, 2 hours of trying to find the angles of where everything's gonna live.
Well, now you got the angles, and besides, this is way easier. I mean, we don't have shit in the way here, so.
Yeah, there's nothing over here. Now I take that one. And go there to there. Oh yeah.
Let's try her out. Okay, so we've got the X pipe and the muffler location kind of set. The exhaust is gonna come down and around. This is not cut yet or anything like that, but this is a good point for us to stop and go home because it's midnight. Yeah, good work, man.
Not too bad yourself.
Yeah, I didn't really do shit, but you know, appreciate it. A for effort. I guess well, we'll pick up and finish this stuff off and have a basically legal exhaust. All right, so this just in. The world is ending, and we have one night to complete this exhaust.
Sketchy.
Yeah,
It's going down.
California is apparently going under lockdown, so we got to finish this tonight. Anyway, my man Sean here made a soup. Look at that, man. He even cleaned up all the welds, made it look all smooth and shit. But we got the X pipe, we got the muffs up. I mean, they're still, you know, they're held up by hangers and zip ties.
Hey, we only got like 12 hours, so whatever we can hang it by is what we're gonna hang it by.
So, now we're just gonna finish up the, these guys. We're gonna run this to that, and then probably just some turn downs and say, fuck it.
Whatever we got time for.
Yeah. All right. Well, we have a relatively legal exhaust now. I know, right? I'm already mad at it. You did great work.
But
Awesome, you know, but
we're still waiting to hear what this bad boy sounds like.
yeah, here's the thing. It's not going to sound as good as the boom tubes, but at least it'll keep me from getting arrested for the time being until we can figure out a way to switch boom tubes on and off. So we'll get this thing down off the lift and fire her up, see what she sounds like. I mean, here's the deal. It's not that quiet, but it's not like super nasty. But you know what? It works. It's a nice deep tone. Magna flows sound good, and I probably won't go to jail now, so